Alright everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your headlights on your 1998 Mustang. So the first step, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get the hood open, make sure you have a nice clean area to work around in. And what you want to do is on the back side, there's a few little tabs. So what we're going to do is we're going to completely fucking ignore those and we're just going to rip the fucking headlight right out of the car. Now, once you've done that, we can put that off to the side. Now you have a giant hole in your car that you have to fix. Tune for the next video where I'll show you how to install the new headlight, and I'll see you guys next time. Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of the headlight install in the Mustang. So today we're going to be getting our new headlight in the Mustang, as you can see right down here. Now, the biggest thing with this is you want to be very, very gentle. So the first step we're going to do is get everything lined up. So we got the new headlight lined up. It's ready to go in. So the first step is going to be, you're going to want to stand up, and once you get yourself lined up, you're going to take your foot, and as you can see, we've installed the new headlights. Tune for the next episode, because on the next episode, I'm going to be showing you a secret trick that mechanics don't want you to know on how to change your alternator.